Hello viewers, welcome to Cooking Horizon by Tess. Today I'm going to show you how to make one dish oven roasted boneless chicken thighs over potatoes. It's a simple dish that could be made out of basic pantry ingredients. First of all, you need 1 pound of potatoes of your choice. I'm using russet potatoes here. Cut them into bite-sized pieces. This dish could also be made using bone-in chicken thighs, chicken drumsticks, or chicken breasts. Next, I'm going to chop some fresh parsley. Don't worry if you don't have fresh parsley at home, you could always use the dried ones. But remember, dried herbs tend to have a deeper, spicier flavor than fresh herbs, so only use 1/3 of the amount compared to the fresh herbs. Or else, your dish might be overpowered with strong flavors. However, the reason we always use only rosemary leaves and not the stem is because the stem is very woody. Moving on, microwave 2 tablespoons of salted butter for about 30 seconds. The intention is not to warm up the butter but just to liquefy it. Add the chopped rosemary, stir and set aside. For this recipe, I'm using 6 pieces of boneless skinless chicken thighs. Season generously with ground sea salt, followed by fresh ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 tablespoon of fresh lime juice, and the rosemary butter mix. Mix them all together and set aside for about 15 to 20 minutes. Realistically, when the chicken is marinating, that's when you can cut your potatoes. I've laid the potatoes down in a 9x13 baking dish and seasoned them generously with some kosher salt, fresh ground black pepper, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and the chopped fresh parsley. Mix them all together and spread the potatoes in a layer. Put the boneless chicken thighs on top, tucking the thinner part underneath. Now bake at 425 degrees Fahrenheit for about 35 to 40 minutes until the juices run clear or the internal temperature of the chicken reaches 165 degrees Fahrenheit. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share.